Hi Marcel, this is going to be one of our first videos on how to edit your site. So we're here on your home page and you can see we have your three featured pages, and this is a slider. If you want to just change the slider image, you come up to your dashboard, come down to media, and in this case I know that this image happens to be this one right here. You can click the picture, the title, or edit. It will take you to the same place. Okay, this is the edit area for the image. You can actually edit the image here or attach it to a slider down below. If I shut the slider off, you can see the slider options box minimizes. I then update the page, and as soon as it's done spinning, I'm going to head back, take a look at your site. And now, because there's no image set to that slider, this is what your website would look like for someone visiting. They would just have the three choices for featured images. Now, we can do a couple things here now. I can go back into your dashboard, come down to pages, and the page that's set to your home page is called Welcome. And if I were to edit that page, I could just come here, click Add Media, and I'm going to go upload a file. I created it just for this purpose. And once it's uploaded, I insert it into the page. I'm going to click on it and edit the properties. First, I want it to be centered, and then second, I'm going to want it to be a little bit larger. And when I'm happy with it, I can click Update, and that brings me back into the editor for the entire page. I click Update on Welcome, and let's go see what it looks like. So this gives us a smaller area where we could put any message that we would like, followed by your three featured images, and we can do either one of these options. There's a bunch of things that we can do with page width as well, but this is a picture in the welcome page, which I'm going to go remove. So again, we'll go to Pages, down to Welcome, I click on the image, I hit the X to remove it, and I update the page, and now the page would have no image at the top. And I'm going to put a slider image back in, and for no other reason than I'm just trying to leave this the way that you saw it last when we spoke. I want you to be able to edit this, and I believe the image, I might get the image wrong, wouldn't be the first time, but trying to remember what we had there. I think it was this kitchen here, and I'm going to add it to a slider. And when I do that, I have to select the slider. In this case, we only have one for the home page, so I'll pick the home page slider. And there's a whole bunch of options here about what you can add or not add. If we want to link it to another page, if we just want the tab on the image to link to the page, or if we want the whole image to link somewhere. What we might want to do is link this image to your store. Again, something that you can do at this point. And now when I click update, and we go home, we have the image that you so badly want to remove, and now you can edit it, and you have two options. Okay, a couple other things real quick. Obviously you can see up top here I have your Coco Bianco in your tab. I also have the entire logo in your header, which shrinks down nicely. Your About page now has just that part of the logo, and this item is here. But please note, none of these are the final edits on any of these. I just threw them in real quick and made your other choices. If you look here under Decor Delivered, you'll have all of the pages you requested. And here's the gift certificate. I need to know if you want to send these gift certificates to the recipients electronically, or if you want to send something nice through the mail. That's going to affect what information we collect and how we process it, of course. Very easy to do either way. You can click through this form and see what it looks like. I'm not sure if you would like the cloud inside of your Decor Delivered, or if you would like your cloud to be a separate shopping area, so that Decor Delivered would be one shopping area and then the cloud would be another. So that's about it. I'll be touching base and talking to you soon.